Welcome to another day in the field with Prime Genius Heating and Air. We're out here in Sacramento, California, working on a large scale mechanical system inside a U.S. Army Corps facility. This is not your typical HVAC job. This is a high level work, the kind of that requires experience, precision, and deep understanding of how complex systems operate together. From airflow to water circulation, from electrical controls, everything here has to perform perfectly. And that's exactly what we do. At Prime Genius Heating and Air, we specialize in everything from residential air conditioning repair in Sacramento all the way to large commercial and government HVAC projects. We don't just install equipments, we understand systems. We diagnose and design and deliver solutions that last. Whether it's a home or a business or a government facility, our goal is always the same: reliability, efficiency, and performance. Today, our project involves multiple integrated systems working together. We have got a large air movement systems, water-based cooling components, electrical connections, and advanced controls, all operating as one. This kind of setup requires coordination between mechanical, electrical, and control systems. Nothing works alone here. Everything is connected. One thing you'll notice right away is the size of these systems. These are not small units. These are large industrial graded systems built to handle serious demands. In some cases, the internal sections are big enough for a full access, allowing maintenance crew to go inside and service components directly. That's the level of scale we're working with. Airflow is one of the most important parts of any HVAC system. Large blower assemblies move air through supply and return chambers, distributing conditioned air throughout the building. Everything has to be balanced: pressure, velocity, and volume. If airflow is off, the entire system suffers. That's why proper setup and understanding is critical. Cooling in systems like this is not about turning something on or off. There are multiple processes happening at once: heat exchange, temperature control, and energy transfer. These systems are designed to maintain stable conditions, even under heavy loads. Efficiency is key, but so is consistency. Water plays a major role in this system. You have supply and return lines circulating water throughout the system to support heating and cooling operations. Flow has to be controlled precisely. Too much or too little flow can affect performance, efficiency, and even demand components over time. The demands can go higher and lower. If the water supply is not correct, it could even damage the components. This is where experience really shows. Managing pressure and flow is a big part of what keeps these systems running smoothly. There are multiple points in the system where flow is regulated, monitored, and adjusted. Everything works together to maintain balance. This isn't something you guess. This is something you understand through experience. Modern HVAC systems rely heavily on control systems. These controls monitoring performance, adjust operations, and make sure everything runs safely and efficiently. They are consistently reading conditions and making adjustments in real time. This is where mechanical systems meet technology. Behind every system like this is a strong electrical foundation. Power distribution, connections, and safety components all have to be installed correctly. Clean work matters. Organized wiring, proper connections, and installation practices makes a huge difference in long-term reliability. Air handling systems like these are designed for performance and durability. Filtration, airflow paths, and internal components all play a role in how efficiently the system operates. Maintenance access is also important. because systems like this requires regular service to stay at peak performance. In facilities like this, you will often find additional cooling systems working alongside the main HVAC systems. These systems support a specific cooling needs and operate continuously to maintain temperature stability. Reliability is everything here. Downtime is not an option. Working on a U.S. Army Corps facility comes with a high level of responsibility. These projects require strict compliance, attention to detail, and professionalism execution. There is no room for shortcuts. Everything must meet code, pass inspection, and perform exactly as expected. This is the level of trust we build with every project. If you're looking for a trusted HVAC contractor in Sacramento, or if you're looking for a trusted HVAC contractor in Elk Grove,